Namaste. Good afternoon. This is Dr. Chuhi Kapoor. Again, we are back with the second day session about pre-menopause for men and women. So, जैसे कि कल मैंने आपको बताया था, I have told you yesterday, man doesn't get menopause, only women get menopause. So, what does man gets? It's called andropause. Okay. Symptoms almost same होते हैं. Everything is same only. Women's when they get premenopause or menopause, their fertility of egg stopped and their periods of cycle gets stopped. It generally happens most probably in the age of 45 to 50, but it may start early age also. Menopause starts for the woman in the age of 30, depends on the lifestyle what you are living. And men for andropause starts same time, but again it is a lifestyle of your living, what you are how you are living, what are you eating, what is the living style you are living, like morning get up, what time you are sleeping, all depends on that. So overall, if you see, our health is related to us only. We only are the person who is spoiling the health or who is taking care of the health. So for first we'll talk about women's. See, women when they start get pre-menopause, their mood will get swing because उसमें क्या होता है, your hormones get change and typically जो हमारा estrogen जो बनते हैं वो decline हो जाते हैं. So if you see any woman who is getting anger without any reason or feeling very tired, or so many things are there, and it is come in a different way. Everybody have a different mood swing, everybody will have a different देखने का नजरिया अलग अलग हो सकता है. किसी को बहुत थकान होगा, किसी को बहुत बॉडी में पेन होगा. There is symptoms like that. So nothing to worry. ये नेचुरल है, नॉर्मल है. जब तक आपका मेनोपॉज नहीं हो जाता, it will be there. Okay. Yes, you can take some precaution naturally. For that, you can connect with me with me one-to-one conversation that we will tell you later. So now come for the men. Men andropause. उसमें होता क्या है, जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन एक थिंग है, उसमें जो लेवल होता है उसका लेवल कम हो जाता है. जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन है वो करता क्या है, वो हमारे मसल बढ़ाता है, सेक्सुअल नीड को जागरूक करता है. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर आप उसको देखेंगे तो पूरा ओवरऑल हेल्थ फ्रॉम द टीन एज when their testosterone start, no, so that helps to bring the hair, facial hair, body hair, skin अच्छा करता है, and it is increase your sexual ability, increase your fat metabolism, muscles mass बनाता है, and then it give you strength. All this thing is comes under testosterone if it is good for you. Okay. अभी मानो कि जैसे आपका बहुत ज्यादा हाई है टेस्टोस्टेरोन, तो क्या करना चाहिए उस टाइम पे? हाई है तो कैसा फील होगा, तो आपको ना सेक्सुअल नीड्स बहुत ज्यादा फील करेगी. देन यू विल बी फीलिंग वेरी एंगर, यू विल बी गेटिंग लिटिल बिट हाइपर. ये सेम चीज में भी होता है इफ इट इज लो ऑल्सो और इफ इट इज हाई ऑल्सो. देन डिजायर्स विल बी मोर, लॉट ऑफ डिजायर्स यू विल गेट. Then your hair will grow more. You will have lots of hair on your body. Mood changes, fertility problem. All these symptoms makes. Sorry, some call came. All these symptoms comes when your testosterone is high. Okay, if it is normal, you will be feeling normal only. When it is getting decreased, then आपको क्या feel होगा, that your sexual ability will become less. You will not get that much strength the way how you used to get before. And साथ ही साथ में आपको बहुत tiredness लगेगा. You will be feeling tired and very this sleepy like that. This is the nature of testosterone when it is low. Now how to get more active and more this thing? Very simple for men and women. If you want your cycle to be normal, then please eat healthy food. Get up in the morning, early morning, between 5 to 6. Go for walk and do some exercise, some yoga exercise you can do, some meditation you can do. And all this thing, when you do it, 100% you will get a healthy lifestyle. Okay? And you can be a very good healthy menopause also you can get it, healthy andropause also you can get it. So both the thing only depends. I'm sorry when call is coming. All this, both the thing for men and women can be a healthy if you keep your diet and if your food and sleeping time everything correctly. Happily you can come out from this. And if you are feeling all this problem, menopause problem, like periods up and down, it is not coming properly, or it is 3 months not coming, so you can connect with me personally. My number is 97909-83321. You can WhatsApp me your name and your problem, and I will get back to you. Same thing for the men. If you are going through something distracting towards sexual life, you are not able to make happy to your partner, or you are getting very lazy, you are not getting sleep properly, so for that also you can connect with me. It's a free consultation for everyone. आपको करना क्या है, you just have to WhatsApp me on my number 97909-83321, and I will guide you how you have to do it in a natural way. If it is more serious problem, then I will advise you to connect with the doctor. So thank you so much. This was the live for male and woman menopause. So for me, woman it is called menopause. For men it is called andropause. Okay, and more information आप मेरे पेज को follow कर सकते हैं. I got a Instagram, YouTube channel, everything. You can follow all the thing to get up to date what is happening in Organic Magic. Thank you so much. And tomorrow we will be going to talk what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, इसके बारे में हम कल बात करेंगे. Thank you so much. God bless you all and have a healthy life. Thank you so much. Just 1 second I want to say in the last, don't feel shy to talk about it. चाहे वो मेनोपॉज हो, चाहे वो एंड्रोपॉज हो, आप मैन हो चाहे वुमन हो, प्लीज इसको, ये जो चीज है ये बीमारी नहीं है, इट्स नॉट अ डिजीज. डोंट गेट शाई टू टॉक अबाउट इट. यू कैन चिट चैट एवरीथिंग ऑनलाइन विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. यू कैन चिट चैट, so you will get an idea how to come out from this. Okay, thank you so much.